I don't care if you're a tour player, I don't care if you're the weekend warrior or a beginner, the first thing you want is distance. The industry moved quickly to high MOI designs, which are large footprint drivers.
And they've gone from 250 cc's maybe 10 years ago would be normal to now they're at 460 cc's, which is actually now limited by the rules of golf. And what we noticed is as we were running player tests, people were swinging these clubs slower.
We've seen driving distances actually decrease over the last couple years. I think the trigger was driving distance on the PGA Tour, because those are obviously the best players in the world. They're human robots when it comes to collecting golf data. So if there's a trend there, most likely there's going to be a trend in the rest of the industry. We decided to test, why is this happening? Why are these distances decreasing? We did player tests, got real-time wind tunnel results. We discovered the whole aerodynamic theory.
And so that led us down the path of trying to design large heads that were low aerodynamic drag.
We wanted to offer a driver that was going to hit the ball the farthest of any other driver in the store.
The industry's evolved, especially from a product development standpoint. Product life cycles have gotten very short. The technology of the products themselves has gone up significantly. The regulations regarding the equipment and the designs has become significantly more complex.
Today, NX allows us to really just optimize and continue to improve to make world-class products. Using the software just allows us to focus on particular areas of the club to perfect it.
And we've used NX Flow to develop the last couple of products. It's pretty much an integral part of the design process for driver heads now.
Being able to use the NX simulation software has certainly opened new doors for us. We're not only able to go in and try new things that we've never tried before, we're able to see the results real time before we actually see parts, to be even more technologically advanced than we have been thus far.
The story of the Speedline driver is a good example of implementing NX in a process.
The Speedline Fast 10 driver was really the first driver that we were able to go in and make design changes based on the use of the NX Flow software. We were able to make subtle modifications to the face area, the transition areas from the face to the body of the club to help keep that airflow attached and reduce drag even more. But by using the NX Flow software, we were able to go in, run simulations on several different iterations of the design, and ultimately find the final design, which was the lowest drag.
Once we produce the prototype, we take it down to the wind tunnel and we're able to get the real data. What's great to find is that the actual software and the results of the wind tunnel are almost identical.
We use NX Nastran for a variety of testing purposes. We can test fatigue, we can test durability, we can test how the club's going to react during the swing.
And then we do the aerodynamic simulations with CFD. And that's helped us a lot in trying to compress our product life cycles.
We can take our 3D model, basically use that exact same 3D model, just click a button on the NX screen and we're in stress and strain analysis. Click another button and we're in a deflection analysis. Click another button and we're running flow simulations. So being able to integrate all those different analysis tools right into our 3D modeling software has benefited us greatly as well.
Once we create the model, we can go down multiple paths, kind of concurrent engineering, where we can go prove out the colors and the marketing side of it and the graphic side of it, parallel to the actual performance of the product, and as one change is made, another change can be made, and it's all concurrent.
The typical manufacturing process for us, from conception to seeing actual prototype parts, is anywhere from 30 to 60 days. Now using the NX Flow software, we can design, test the design, validate that it's going to work, and actually have a real-time working concept in probably less than 20 days. So by using the NX software, we can cut down on manufacturing lead times, we can cut down on manufacturing costs, we can cut down on testing times.
The CAD designers and engineers come to me with how easy it is to use and how fast it is to use. So we have more iterations going on now to guarantee that we're going to have that world-class product. For this small little niche company in Plano, Texas, to come out with a product that is all of a sudden starting to slowly but surely take market share away from these competitors, it's been a lot of fun. Week in and week out, about 46% of all tour players in America tee it up with Adams hybrids out there. We don't pay them to play it, so they're selecting the best product out there that's going to help their game. The role NX ultimately plays for us is just speed to market, ultimate flexibility and adaptability to the ever-changing environment in the golf industry.